And new at 5:30, having a baby is usually described as a time of excitement, right? But it can also come with intense worry and anxiety that can lead to postpartum depression. According to the National Library of Medicine, around 1 in 7 women develop it. Fox 35's Kylie Jones shows us how a new kind of medication can help moms out.
Some call it the baby blues, the roller coaster of emotions after having a baby. As a midwife, Charlie Ray Young says so many women struggle with postpartum depression in silence.
It's a lot. It all stacks up, and there's really no formal support system in place across the board for everybody.
As a mother of 2 now, Kristen Mitrick recalls sitting in this same chair 5 years ago.
I didn't know postpartum depression was even a thing, or postpartum anxiety. I just thought it was crazy. And that's why I was afraid to say anything, because I was like, I can't have people thinking that I'm crazy.
After her first child, Mitrick felt anything but like herself, but she didn't know where to turn.
At the time, I was like, I can't say this to anybody. Are they going to take my baby? Are they going to think something's wrong with me? I just have to just sit in this and hope that it goes away, or that I can somehow come out of this.
The FDA approved the first oral medication, Zulresso, to help treat postpartum depression.
So I think anytime we're talking about it is getting one step closer to it maybe not being such an issue of shame for women.
The FDA says the pill does come with a warning that it could potentially impact your ability to drive and could worsen thoughts or behavior. Young says the medication doesn't come without some concerns.
If someone knows that this exists, they can go to their provider and say, hey, I've heard about this. Do you think it's a good idea for me? What are my options? And that then opens the dialogue.
But normalizing something that healthcare providers say affects millions of women could be life-changing.
And whether that is, having these organizations, or maybe for some people having this drug, it's like the same thing with any type of mental health, whether it's you go to counseling or you take, drugs, or a combination of both. As long as it's being talked about, that's the important thing.
Kylie Jones, Fox News.
The FDA says Zulresso is a pill that's taken once a day for 2 weeks. Like any medication, healthcare providers say you should always talk with your doctor first.